Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta na ating 9 p.m. Tisas o Lottery Results today. Ngayong araw po ng linggo, May 24, 2026. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Ultra Lotto 658, ang Super Lotto 649, ang 3D Lotto at ang 2D Lotto. And for 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, 1, 6, and 6 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, 12 and 15 in exact order. And for Super Lotto 649, sa winning combination na 33, 24, 12, 13, 4, and 9. For the jackpot price of 25 million pesos in any order. At para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Ultra Lotto 658, sa winning combination na 50, 12, 20, 57, 14, and 21. For the jackpot price of 75 million pesos in any order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.